Hi guys, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I have been making content about fashion, styling, how to groom yourself, how to be more confident, and if that is something you like to watch, do consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you are someone who's been following me here for a while, there's a new hype feature down below. So hype me up to reach that 500k milestone this year. It would mean a lot to me. And आप में से काफी लोग comment करते हैं that I don't share enough Indian wear ideas. So this video is perfect for you because I went on to Myntra and spent a lot of time, shortlisted so many kurta sets that are all under 1000 rupees. These are perfect if you go to college, if you go to office. These are casual, semi-formal, and this is the best time because Rakhi is around the corner as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. The first kurta set that I'm absolutely in love with is from the brand Maranga for just 999 rupees. This is a Chanderi silk kurta. It comes with a pant and a dupatta set. It's got floral zari embroidered around the neckline, and the trouser is a straight cigarette pant style, perfect for Rakhi. I actually love the color. It's one of my favorites. For 999, it's totally a 10 on 10. These actually pair really well with our Mia heels from Slasho, so I'm going to link everything down below. And YouTube also has a feature of clicking directly on the tagged products that you'll see on the screen. So you will be redirected to the product link right away. The second one I'm going to talk about has to be my favorite from this entire haul. This is just for 800 or 900 something right now. You need to get your hands on this. This is not straight. This is the only one that has a fit and flare kind of a silhouette. This is a very pretty floral pattern for summers. I would highly recommend you wear this for Rakhi if you can get your hands on this because it's very pretty, very girly. This is also pure cotton, so very comfortable to stay in all day long. The dupatta is very easy to carry. I paired this with a Slasho Zeta pink sandals that are so comfortable to wear all day long. All the links will be down below and you should definitely check these out. Next one is the one that I am wearing, and this is from the brand called Khushal K. This was for 1060 rupees. I know 60 rupees thoda zyada hai, but the comfort is so good. I know it's sleeveless hai, so maybe not all of you are very comfortable wearing it, but summers ke liye this is so breathable. It's got the cotton material. Pants are also printed, and iske saath jo dupatta hai, uska jo material hai, it's very soft. You can put it around your neck or on the side of the shoulders, however you like it. Usually dupattas काफी stiff होते हैं. इसमें से काफी कुर्ता sets हैं that have slightly stiff दुपट्टा, तो उनको carry करने में ज़्यादा easy नहीं होता है. But this is so soft. It's just literally like malmal, and you can sort of be very comfortable wearing it. This would be perfect for offices, for colleges, for everyday wear, for running errands. And this is looking great paired with the Slasho Lexi flats in blue color. For your information, I am in a size small in all of them and they are fitting me very comfortably. If you've liked watching this video so far and you feel like you're going to shop something from this, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below and hype me up so I can hit 500k this year. Next one is from the brand Kalini for just 946 rupees. I am mind blown. Isme itne kam price mein how are they giving such good quality kurtas paired with the dupatta and also a pant set. It's actually amazing. So if it's in stock, which I know it is because I'm only sharing the kurta sets that are in stock, hurry get your hands on these before Rakhi because they also have some extra discounts. So you are going to get a great price. Anyway, coming back to the kurta, the main element in this kurta set is the neckline. It's got some really graceful, pretty embroidery and it is perfect for a monochrome look. I have paired these with the Slasho Lexi sandals in green, and these Lexi flats are so comfortable. You have to try them out. They are great for everyday wear. Very versatile, not just for Indian wear. You can also pair them with Western wear as well. Pants in these have very nice lace work at the bottom, so it adds to the whole grace of this kurta set. It's overall a simple kurta set, but the color and the embroidery really makes it stand out. So you can wear it for your formal occasions, for pujas at home, for any festival. This is a great bright color for that. Just letting you guys know again, all of this will be linked down below in the description box, and if you can also spot the tagged product button, you can also click directly on that. The next set is from the brand Anaina, and this is exactly exactly for 1000 rupees. This is a plain black kurta set with black pants as well, but the standout element of this kurta set is the dupatta. Honestly, this entire outfit reminded me of Piku because she dressed a lot like this. And if you're someone who likes to keep it simple but wants to have that one standout piece in your outfit, this is the perfect kurta set for you. This is pure cotton, so very comfortable to wear in summers. I know sleeveless hair, but in summers you need your underarms and armpits to breathe, and this is just the right kurta set for that. This has a V-neck and buttons on it, but these buttons don't really open, they're just for show. It also has a slight slit at the bottom of the kurta. All the kurtas that I've actually shown you until now are straight kurtas, so they fall straight, they do not flare out or anything like that. And these kind of kurtas are actually great for all body types. Next one is from the brand Kalini again, and this is a very nice green color. I don't know if it's exactly emerald green, but it's a very pretty Banarasi type of salwar, I'd say. It does say on the website it's got zari work, but I'm not sure if it's exactly that. This is just for 755 rupees, so it's so good for this price. Everyone who's shopping on a budget, you can get your hands on this. And I think they also have tons of other colors in this particular suit. They have a black, a blue, a red, orange, a pink. So honestly, pick your favorite color because the quality, I can tell you, is very good. It's some sort of a silk blend. This comes with a dupatta with the same kind of work on it. Pants or the salwar of this kurta is slightly different. It gives a little harem pant kind of a look. So if you want to try something new, this would be a great idea. Perfect for a festive occasion. It's not something I would suggest wearing to college. You can wear it to office for like festive occasions if you have some special parties going on, but obviously not for everyday wear. Maybe if you pair it with maybe even jeans without the dupatta, you could make it casual obviously, but I would recommend wearing it for slightly semi-formal occasions. The last set in this haul is from the brand Miranshi for just about 950 rupees. This again has a very comfortable dupatta. Honestly, I love this kind of material. I don't know what you call this exactly. I don't know if it's Georgette, some sort of Georgette fabric. Great for everyday wear. This is super versatile because you can wear it just with jeans as well if you don't want to wear the pants with it. They come with a pair of palazzos, by the way, and I have paired them with the Slasho Lexi flats in blue, and it's a great monochrome look along with it. It is pure cotton, so super comfortable to wear in summers. The sleeves have a slight pastel blue embroidery work on the side, so it looks very elegant and very girly, which I really like. This is something I would totally wear to college if I was in college right now, to be very honest. And I would also pair this with blue jeans and mix it up. So this entire set, which is for 850 rupees right now, you can wear this in multiple different ways. Some days you can wear it with the dupatta, style different ways, some days without it, some days with jeans. So from one 800 rupee outfit, you're getting so many different styles. So this was an amazing kurta set haul under 1000 rupees. I absolutely love each and every pair and set of these, so I would highly recommend them. And anyway, I don't recommend anything that I don't think is good enough for you guys to try. And at these affordable prices that I literally spend hours on the Myntra website to find you guys, are definitely worth it. So if you liked watching this video, do hit that like, share and subscribe button. Comment down below with which of these was your favorite. And once again, don't forget to hype me up so I can reach 500k this year. I will see you guys in my next video.